Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a solid entry-level gaming rig that punches well above its weight, the Cost Plus Gaming M1 Flow, Starter Tier Gaming PC. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Personal computer emoji, built for smooth 1080p gaming. At the heart of the M1 Flow is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, a 6-core, 12-thread processor that clocks up to 4.2 GHz on boost. It's fast, responsive, and more than capable of handling today's most popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Warzone, Valorant, and even heavier hitters like Cyberpunk 2077 at medium settings. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, you're getting real-time ray tracing, solid frame rates at 1080p, and access to DLSS for smoother visuals. For a starter tier build, the graphics power here is extremely respectable. Rocket emoji, fast storage and multitasking power. With a 500GB NVMe SSD, loading times are lightning fast. Your system boots up in seconds, and game load times are dramatically reduced compared to traditional hard drives. And with 16GB of DDR4-3200 RAM, multitasking is seamless. Run Discord, Chrome, Spotify, and your game all at once without breaking a sweat. Electric plug emoji, gold-rated power and future-proofing. It's awesome to see a 600 watts plus gold PSU included here, efficient, reliable, and a great foundation for future upgrades. That means you're not boxed into this configuration. Want to drop in a stronger GPU or extra storage later? You've got headroom to grow. Antenna with bars emoji, Wi-Fi and Windows pre-installed. This PC comes Wi-Fi ready, which is super convenient if you're not near an Ethernet connection. Plus, Windows is pre-installed, so setup is plug and play. No hunting for drivers, no headaches, just power it on and start gaming. Ice emoji, sleek aesthetic and clean build. The M1 Flow doesn't just run well, it looks the part. The case has a clean, modern design with excellent airflow, and the cable management is tidy, which not only looks good but also helps with cooling and maintenance. Memo emoji, final thoughts. The Cost Plus Gaming M1 Flow is a fantastic starter PC that checks all the right boxes: strong 1080p performance, fast storage, solid upgradability, and a clean, professional build. It's perfect for new gamers, casual players, students, or anyone looking to get serious performance without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a system that gets you in the game fast, looks great on your desk, and leaves room for future upgrades, the M1 Flow is a winner. That's it for this one. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and happy gaming.